Te Reo Nominate competition is on. Find some inspiration, choose an appropriate kupu, kiwaha or whakatauki, grab your smartphone and upload a video of yourself or your mates reciting it.
Aku te raurau.
No te raurau. Ka ora ai te iwi.
But don't forget to call out a friend or a family member at the end of the video so the competition keeps rolling. The competition runs from the 15th of June till the 15th of July. We have some awesome prizes to give away, but you have to be in it to win it. Entering is easy. You can be as creative as you want, but one word entry is all it takes.
You know what? Feeling the love today. My kupu is aroha. Te awhiroan too, calling yous out. TNT show, you're up next.
It's the TNT show, keep it locked to Tahu FM. Okay, here we go. What you got? Here we go. Mete!
Easy as that, brother. Here we go. Bang. That's it.
Hey, boys, what's going on?
We're putting the rubbish.
Put the rubbish in the rubbish.
Get back to work.
Just cleaning up. Just cleaning up.
We're on top of it.
Back to work. Mehete.
Mehete.
Like a ball.
Like a boss.
Like a ball.
Like a boss.
Like a ball.
You know who we're calling out?
We're calling out you.
That's right. Go and sign up to the Reo Nominate competition on the KMK Facebook page.
Like a ball.
Mehete.
Hey.
Hey.
Hey.